Another quick announcement. I don't want to alarm anybody, but apparently there is a bear in the theater. Where's the bear? Where's the bear? There's a bear in the theater! Everybody get big! Everybody get big! Bear on rollerblades! Bear on rollerblades! There's a man in the bear suit in rollerblades. Can you get him the stairs? You don't know. You might have to hold the handle. He's gonna bitch. Ladies and gentlemen, this is none other than bear. This is, we got together, Mr. Joe Parnell, everybody.
Joe Parnell, age 61, no criminal record. I'm single for obvious reasons. If I had $1 for every woman that thought me unattractive, eventually I would be attractive. But be that as it may, I was in Zimbabwe recently looking for some new herbs to put in my salmon dish because the garlic salt gets a little old, you know? And I seen this thing in the jungle. I saw it and I was like, wow, that's crazy. That's wild. That's something. And it was this band of animals that sing and dance and make fun of humans. And I thought, I need to capture them and exploit them. And so I did. And then with a grant, partially from the Incredibench company, I was able to bring it back. The Incredibench is the Leatherman of benches. It's a step, in case you gotta get up a little higher. It's a seat, you know, it's a box, it's a table, it's workout equipment, and it's a drum if you want to the hippie circle or something. Peace and love. And it's made by, locally in Haines, Alaska, by an American. Me. And my gift to you is the Bandamals show.
It's the Bandamal Christmas, dance around 'cause we're free. Instead of just one, the whole force of Christmas tree. It's the Bandamal Christmas. Instead of presents, we put the humans in the cage. It's a Bandamals Christmas, dance around 'cause we're free. Instead of presents, we put the humans in the cage. There's Joe Parnell in a cage. Oh, they look so bad and lonely, all locked up behind bars. But we can walk the roads freely without getting hit by cars. I don't want that. Take a fish in the river without the tourists blocking our view. We don't have to worry about them. Take a picture while we poo. It's a Bandamals Christmas. It's a Bandamals for free. Instead of just one, got a whole porch Christmas tree. And it's a Bandamals Christmas in the Bandamals age. Instead of presents, we put the humans in a cage. Don't have to worry about November, when the haunted season has begun. We can open every car door, I'll get shot by the gun. fish in the river. Now the trips I can offer you. We don't have to worry about them. Taking pictures while we poo. It's a Bandamals Christmas. Dance around 'cause we're free. Instead of just one, the whole porch of Christmas tree. It's a Bandamals Christmas in the Bandamals way. Instead of presents, I can give it in the face.
The North Pole, Mrs. Claus called me to show me my reindeer. They flew back home. But it means I need 8 magical animals to take me and my sleigh back to the North Pole. Bandamals, will you save my Christmas?